Amphe-EX explosion-proof connectors can be used to safely route power, signal, RF, and fiber optic connections through hazardous areas, providing a versatile all-in-one solution for ATEX and IECex Zone 1 rated applications. Amphe-EX features high-strength aluminum or stainless steel shells. These have double-lead Acme-threaded coupling that ensures a positive mating and is self-cleaning, preventing clogging from ice, mud, snow, sand, and other debris. They also have silicone elastomer seals that provide an IP68 rating. The connectors are available with shell sizes 9 through 21, with various keying options and insert patterns from 2 to 79 contacts. These can accommodate a mix of copper, coax, and fiber optic contacts, and include options for RJ45 and USB. PEI-Genesis is the only approved worldwide assembling distributor of Amphe-EX connectors, providing ready-to-use connectors and cable assemblies customized to the application.